Codding Cottage, located in Sarasota, was the first Platinum LEED home in the state of Florida and the second Platinum LEED home in all of the United States. The team of highly trained professionals at Sean McCutcheon's Air Conditioning and Heating helped make this project a reality. The Southeast Building Conference honored Joshuan Construction with a Grand Aurora Award for this home. Codding Cottage also earned Joshuan Construction the Best in American Living, also known as BALA, Platinum Award for Design Excellence and Marketability at the 2010 International Builders Show in Las Vegas. If you need a new system, we will guide you through the selection process to ensure that you can get the right solution for your home comfort needs and your budget. Sean McCutcheon's Air Conditioning and Heating offers high-efficiency heating and air conditioning systems that help you save energy and money, as well as filtration systems that keep indoor air clean and healthy. We will customize a solution to fit your family's lifestyle, comfort needs, and budget. Turn to the professionals at Sean McCutcheon's Air Conditioning and Heating Incorporated for all of your air conditioning and heating needs. Visit www.keepingsarasotacool.com or call us at 941-921-7208 and ask us how you can save money on your energy bills. Sean McCutcheon's Air Conditioning and Heating Incorporated, the quality and service you deserve.